If you're going to the Rockies home opener on Friday, the official forecast is meh. It's looking kind of worse and worse for us for that Friday first pitch at 2:10 p.m. at Coors Field. Reason being is it looks increasingly likely that we're going to get some of that convective activity, some showers, some graupel, some snow, just a meteorological potpourri, just like what we saw back on Tuesday night when we saw kind of an Oprah-like, everybody gets a little bit of everything kind of weather scenario for us. We might see that again on Friday afternoon with a mixed bag of, again, graupel, rain, maybe some snow, and some claps of thunder possible for us on Friday afternoon. Now, I think the game probably starts okay. It's in the afternoon and the evening where things start to go a little downhill. So if I'm a Rockies fan, I'm rooting for a 1-0 game where they just kind of zip through it, and hopefully by 4:30 or so, they can wrap up the game and maybe get done before all the really active weather moves in. Then we flip to snow on Friday night, looking increasingly less impactful with that snow for us in the Denver area, with maybe a 1 to 4 inch, 2 to 4, maybe 2 to 5 inch sort of snow event, but still a few inches of slushy snow likely across most of the Denver area. It's just looking less than what it looked like earlier this week. Our storm system just looks like it just doesn't have the strength that it did in some of the modeling earlier this week. It's also trending a bit further south. So those two things making it a lower impact storm. However, Palmer Divide, southern foothills, that's where we could be talking about 6 to 10 inches of snow for us, and that's where we could be talking about some down trees, some down branches, especially if we were talking about closer to 10 inches. That's when we start getting closer to down branches, down trees, and those sorts of impacts for us. So Castle Rock, Roxborough Park, those areas, that's where I'd be a bit more concerned about some higher impact snow. Then we clear things up, and next week we could be talking about a high near 80 by the end of next week. So big flip because it's spring and the Rockies, which means we get a little bit of everything over the next few days.